Marines with 2nd Battalion, 5th Marine Regiment, patrolled through the Kajaki town of Zamindawar as part of Operation.
There hasn't been a strong military force in this area. They've been some, 1 or 2 day ops, maybe 3 or 4 days, nothing this long, and this was believed to be one of the very strongholds. So, I mean, if this was one of the strongholds and we came through and cleared the way we did, that's a success in our book.
The Marines targeted Zamindawar, becoming the strong presence of insurgents, hoping to disrupt the enemy leadership and unveil resistance.
From the ground perspective, I think we've definitely accomplished the task of disruption. And I think I know they've been holding a lot of meetings. We've seen some guys over some aircraft footage. They've been holding numerous meetings trying to figure out what to do with the Americans. So I'd say overall, we're definitely successful here.
For 15 days, the Marines cleared the area, evading the enemy's long
Couldn't be more proud of my boys. We've been together for about, most of us have been together for 2 years now, and this is our first combat operation together. Most of our guys, they're all junior Marines. This is their first combat operation, and none of them knew what to expect, and I believe they came here and they saw and they did what others can never do,
From Zamindawar,